Look at it. It's gobbling up all my fruit.
My lord, the land is dry. Our life is lost. But our faith in you never wavered, and now we await the promise of the eternal reward.
He thinks there's an eternal reward!
No, sorry. There's no eternal reward for you.
Dog! There's nothing for you after death, except death.
You are no God. I renounce you.